Okay guys, kagigising lang namin. And yan, ang sarap ng tulog namin dito sa Costa Pacifica. The best. So, tulog kami kagabi around 10. Yan, sarap. Itong sofa bed nila, super lambot, super cozy. Yan. We're just preparing na kami. After this, magbe-breakfast lang muna. Okay, and then later, syempre as usual, we'll go swimming sa labas. Ang ganda ng panahon, grabe. Sarap mag-swimming. So, what can I say about Costa Pacifica? Napaka-relaxing. You know. Okay guys, and then we'll come back later. Mag-read ako sa food natin. Okay, sarap matulog, lamig. So good. Okay, sige, later again.